Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Thursday, April 21. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. We got a rare late night edition. Been a very busy day, putting out multiple reports early in the morning and as late as within the last hour to our newsletter subscribers. But I want to show you guys, speaking of that, our subscriptions. We've got our NQ subscription there. And the NQs tipped us off over the holiday weekend on Good Friday when they were closed. They made a lower low, and that was the first clue. And then we had others too. But let's just look at the Qs to begin with here. The Qs and Nasdaq. This is November. They started their bear market back then. You can see we have 1 down, 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, and 5 down, and a retracement between the 50% and the 618. We're looking at a daily chart of the Qs. We need to see a move below this wave 1 low, this 5 here, all right, for confirmation of the next wave down, the third wave down. I'm going to do this for my own interest here. Let's just see what we are looking at once we get that confirmation, okay? What kind of price target are we talking about here? This is longer term because this is a daily chart. Okay, so this is 1. This is 2 up here. Okay, we're sitting around 334 right now. The low here, I believe, was 317. Where's that first target? 280. Okay, so that won't be confirmed until the Qs break below the 317 low. We'll see how that works out. But I want to start a little different today. Let's go to our midday alert, okay? This was today at 10:55 a.m. I'll scroll down here, let you guys see what we sent out. I had an appointment. I had to leave at 11, so I got this out less than 5 minutes before I had to go. But this is a 1-minute chart, and you can see from that 45.09 high, when I started producing this, the market was here. And by the time I published it, it was here. And it was moving fast. But that's the reason I look at the 1-minute charts. I'll read this to you guys, okay? And there was our actual high within a 1.5 of the 1.414 for that 5 up, okay? And then we have our higher targets there for wave 2. But from the 45.09 high, count 5 waves down on a 1-minute chart, signifying a change in trend. That's why I'm always looking at it around our turn dates and when the NQ tipped us off. It's like this thing's going down. Anyway, it's very early in the pattern, but I want to give you a heads up before I have to leave for an appointment in a few minutes. Keep in mind this is a third of a third wave down, so it could extend downward from current levels. I'll update the bigger picture later. Well, it did. It extended a lot more, and that's what we were thinking it may do, okay? So without further ado, by the way, that was right into our turn date here too, okay? So let's look at the S&P cash real quick here, okay? We're looking at an hourly chart. There's a January 4th high, 5 waves down into the February 24th low. I've got the dates in purple and the prices and wave count in black. And you can see we had an A up, a B down, and a C up right into this March 29 turn date, okay? And that was close enough, all right, to our 1.618 for C. And then we've got in circle a 1 down, a 2 up, a 3 down, a 4 up, and a 5 down. And you can see this move up here went in between the 50%. I might want to make that a little bit bigger for you guys, okay? Just focus on that there, okay? There, so that was the 50% here and the 618. It went between it. We need to move below this low, this 1 of 3, to get confirmation that 3 of 3 is in play. Here's 2 of 3 up here. Okay, it's like I said, it's between the 50 and the 618. It could go to 618, could go to 786. It cannot go above the 46.37 high. That's the make or break, okay? So we have 1 down here, 2 up. Looks like 3 is beginning. We'll get confirmation soon, but that's on the cash. And you can see from here, 1 down, 2 up. There's where 3 equals 1 at 42.45 on the cash market. Okay, let me get into this E-minis here. Okay, here's what we were looking for the E-minis. That was at 5 waves up to complete the wave A or C in this case. Okay, and these were the targets we were looking for. And let's get in the E-minis. Okay, we've got the bigger picture again here. January 4th high down to the 1 low, the 2 up, 2 or B, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 purple circles to make the larger wave 1 down. Okay, and then we've got that 2 up. Again, this is between 50% and the 618. It went to 4509. Okay, so that's what we're looking at there. You can see these third wave targets once we get confirmation, and it's getting close. Let me put something on there. Yeah, it's 73 now. 43, 55, 50 is that wave 1 low. We need to see a break below that. It could happen overnight, could happen tomorrow, it could bounce off of that. But there's our higher targets there. Same as the cash. 618 at 45.25. 786 is at 45.72. Make or break is that 46.31 low on 329. Again, dates and prices in purple and wave counts in black. Okay, let's work our way. I think we'll look at this from the 329 high. There's a lot of stuff on here, okay? So this one, we've got so many hits, direct hits, ever since February, but these are all of them. I won't detail them, but you can see they're all within a quarter or a point or 2 points. So here we've got the move up from the 417 low. Okay, we got a WXY. You could label that an ABC, I guess, okay? But again, that's sitting at the 4509 high. We've got a turn date on Saturday, the 23rd. So we're thinking it may go to Friday to make a high, but it looks like it had a slippage of 1 day earlier, or minus 1 day on the 21st to kick off the third wave. Again, we need validation below this wave 1 low, this 1 of 3. There's 2 of 3 up here, and this looks like 3 of 3. So we need to see this come down and get below there. And it still may. That's a live chart at around 10:44 Central Time. Okay, so that's all that stuff there. Again, all these hits we've been getting since February, within a point or two at the most. Do we want to go a little lower? Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys this. This is an update of that that other one I showed you where the market kept going down. Okay, so there's that 4509 high, and this is live at again 10:44 p.m. Central Time on the 21st. We had a target of 43.58, and as I stressed to our monthly subscribers, this is a third of third wave. It won't be proven it is until it gets below that low, but it can keep extending. It can make any multiple at once, not just a 1.618, but a 2.618, 3.618, even 4. Okay, but if that is a low, that's the retracement targets we're looking at there: 4118, 4435, 4453, and 4477, with of course a make or break up there at 4509. So interesting things going on here. Let me see what else we had here for you guys. I think that was it on there, and that's where that target was going, and that's where it did go there. Okay, so that's what we're looking at as far as the S&P goes. Let me get back to let's go there. That's a better picture there. That's what we're looking at. So as soon as that thing is broken to the downside, we have confirmation. May take a bit, but we'll see how that plays out. And these third wave targets are here for the futures. Okay, that's it for today. Until next time, take care, everyone.